As Uttarakhand's death toll continues to rise, around 50 bodies have been found floating in the Ganga in and around Haridwar. A police team in Haridwar has now been entrusted with the task of fishing out these bodies so that it does not flow downstream. Headlines Today correspondent Aditi Anant Narayan sent us this report. It's a search for the dead. Haridwar police's team looking for bodies in Ganga. As rescuers continue to save stranded pilgrims in the hills, in Haridwar, the focus is on to collect bodies from the river and carry out the last rites. A Herculean task undertaken by these brave officers. Headlines Today decided to join them in one such operation.
The Army, the Navy, the Air Force and several other personnel are busy rescuing people from across Uttarakhand. We are here in Haridwar with the Haridwar police officials. Now their basic job is to find and look for the bodies which are flowing down from the higher terrain. We are sitting on one such raft with the police officials. We are on our way. We are in Haridwar Shampur area. So now what we are planning is we will be going a little downstream. We will be landing on a place where the entire team, this is the search team of the Haridwar police. So they will be looking for the bodies there, and after they find the bodies, they will be transported to the nearest district hospital.
ये पहाड़ में बाढ़ आने से जो लोग पानी में बहे तो उनकी काफी बॉडीज हमें यहाँ पे मिली है। इसी प्रकार अभी हमारे एसएसपी महोदय द्वारा आदेश हुआ था कि एक सर्च अभियान चला जाए। जो बॉडियां इधर नदी के किनारे साइड में लगी है उनको सर्च किया जाए और उनको प्रॉपर तरीके से जो उनका क्रिमिनेशन किया जाए।
हमारे जल पुलिस के तो हम लोग सभी हैं, जितने भी हैं, मतलब यहाँ ऐसे होंगे 25-30 तो जल पुलिस के हैं और बाकी सिविल पुलिस के हैं, बाकी साहब लोग हैं, सब लगे हैं उसमें।
Uprooted trees floating in the river, an indication of the devastation caused.
We are in the middle of the river Ganga here in Shampur district in Haridwar. As you can see, wherever you see, there is just destruction. The small lands have been cut off. The trees have come down from various places in the higher terrain. They have come here and the rescue team is here with us. They are doing a commendable job. Every day they come out, they take out their raft, they take out their steamers, they take out their boats, and this is their duty. They come out in search of any dead person who could be here, whose body could be here.
Around 50 bodies have been recovered from Ganga in Haridwar till now, and authorities fear that many more could still be floating in it. The death count is still not over. With Aditi Anant Narayanan, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.